harness, also known as... Shh. I'm trying to tell my friends about this, so be quiet for a second. Zip, zip,
Zip, zip, zip.
okay, try not to move. Hello everyone, it's so good to see you. I know I've been gone for a while, please forgive me. But I'm back, at least for today. And today I wanted to talk about... Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Violet. If you're new here, welcome. Today I want to talk about something super cool. It is the flight suit, the bird harness, or you could call it a bird diaper. I've got this very colorful one. It retailed about $25 Canadian at Pisces Pet Emporium in Calgary. You can order them online and they are super cool. Now, as you can see, it attaches with Velcro. Online, it's avianfashions.com. You can see it's listed right here. Yeah. Now this is a really great harness. She doesn't want to come see the harness because it's snowing outside and Pepper doesn't want to go outside in the snow. So we're going to use the frog to start, just to show you guys really quickly. The harness is going to go on like this. And then your bird's not going to be able to fly away, which is really great. Okay? And then if you want to go to the mall with your bird or a pet store, bird's going to poop in the back because this is a bird diaper, which is super cool. All right, now I'm going to insert some footage from yesterday when I took Pepper out to go pick up my daughter from school. See, there were some struggles, but we really were able to get it on eventually, and as soon as we did, she was very happy for the adventure, okay? You guys are so mean. I'm coming. Oh my gosh. We're going. Oh dear. Yes, we're happy, aren't we? We love being outside. Okay, look both ways. We gotta get Noelle from school. Hey. There's no cars?
No.
Do you see yourself?
Yeah.
We're getting Noelle from school, right? Come on. Here we go. Oh, it's crazy out. It's gonna snow today in Calgary, probably. Come on, let's go. Probably gonna snow. But yeah, we gotta get Noelle from school. We're gonna surprise her with Pepper. Last day before we have snow. Last day outside, Pepper, for a while. Sorry. Good luck, there's Schnooks in Alberta. Yeah, you're cold. We're gonna tuck you in. So here we have Pepper, and she doesn't love her flight suit, but I think it's a very important addition to my bird accoutrement for a couple of reasons. First off, it allows me to take her outside and get some sunshine on her feathers, and it allows me to take her out and about to go visit without worrying about her pooping on people's furniture, which is really nice. And thirdly, it allows me to let her be fully flighted, which is great because that's one of the best ways for birds to get exercise. Obviously, they like to fly around. So you don't have to trim their feathers as long as you're using a harness when you take them outside. Now, I think even birds with trimmed feathers, you probably want to use a harness just in case they kind of fly and fall and land to the ground, because in that situation, they're not going to jump in front of a car or something ridiculous like that. But I've been really wanting to show off the bird diaper for a while. It's super cool, super cute. And the important thing is to desensitize your bird. So we spend a lot of time just doing this, but I'd give this 4 out of 4 feathers. It's a great harness. I definitely recommend you check it out. Thank you everyone so much for... Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my YouTube channel. I hope that if you want to try a bird harness, you do. I definitely recommend a bird harness. Think about it. If you were to take a dog for a walk and out and about, you would want a leash. For your bird, you want the same thing, just to protect your bird as well as the people around you in case the bird dive bombs, because a lot of people are really afraid of birds and they don't need that. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and all that good stuff. Everything's bird content. Thank you so much, guys. Talk to you soon. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Bird diaper. I mean, who needed a bird diaper?